Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can wrap a text around a circle in Canva. As you can see right now I am into Canva and I have selected a blank template, right? And here we are going to click on elements and here we are going to search for circle, enter. We can select any other circle as well, right? Again let me search for circle and here we can select any of the circle, right? So for example I have selected this one, right? And now I want to wrap my text around this circle, so I'm going to click on text in the left side toolbar and then click on the add heading, and here I'm going to type digital marketing institute. Okay, and then I'm going to click on effects or hold down. Let me create a duplicate one of this. Let me type learn digital marketing. Okay, so we can change the font of this to Anton. Okay, and this one to Anton as well. Okay, now what we are going to do is we have selected this text and now we are going to click on effects, and here in the shape we can select the curve and we can increase the radius. Okay, it's fine. Now let me check how much radius it is. It is 69, right? So we can copy the style as well and then we can paste it. Okay, but as you can see we need to make it to minus of 69, right? Okay, so it is perfectly fine. If you want to change the font size we can make it from here as well, right? And now we can add text, whatever the text we want we can add. Let me look for a good text, for example this one. Okay, digital Bikana. Cool. We can decrease the text size. So this is how you can wrap a text around a circle in Canva. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.